go. Hey, what's up, YouTube friends that we've never met? So I'm back with Brandon. And the Z's gone. The Z is no more. And so
it's something better though.
Something better.
Way better.
Better. He said way better even.
Okay, maybe not that much better, but you know what I'm talking about.
Alright, and so the new thing is a
328i.
Oh shit!
Yeah, it's not bad.
He joined the Kraut Club.
The Beamer forums.
Oh yeah, Beamer forums. But it's pretty clean. Let's do a quick walk around.
I don't have to use turn signals anymore.
That's right. He got the owner's manual. It says you don't have to use turn signals anymore. You get to cut people off religiously. It's almost encouraged. Very clean. Very nice. Little turbo 4-banger.
Yeah.
But of course, being Brandon,
What?
it stays stock for how long? How long did you have it before your first mod?
2 days.
Okay, so it was stock for 2 days. Today we're actually gonna help modify it a little bit. We're doing cold air intake today, or just the intake, short ramp, I don't know. Yeah. Intake nonetheless. But he's already removed the muffler, so it sounds nice and growly.
And once the FRS sells, downpipe and tune. And I should be pretty much done for power mods at that point.
Yep, downpipe, tune, no more power mods. And we got an FRS for sale. Hit me up in the comments if you're looking for FRS slightly modified with a fresh engine.
Yeah.
Fresh
2013. Engine. Blew the last motor. New motor has around close to 40K. A little less, but not bad.
So it's available. And if it's available and you're available, maybe you guys can make a love connection. I don't know, just saying. He's looking for about 12K. We'll see though. See what he really gets. Maybe we'll take a bunch of shit off of it and sell it to you for cheaper.
Nah. I'm not gonna part that car. That's way too much more.
Okay, so it stays as is. And we'll do a walk around about that. Hey, fuck the FRS. We're working on the BMW right now. So we're getting rid of all this shit and putting this shit in it. So we'll get to that now. We probably won't show you all the bits and pieces or how to unscrew every nut, bolt, screw. This shit gets tedious. But we will show you the before and after. Do you want to start it really quick so they can hear what it sounds like before? All right, thanks, Brandon. Let him hear the front really quick, rev it. Little turbo whoosh.
Wait a minute, it's not in sport mode.
Oh, okay.
Sound better.
Yeah, go ahead. A little bit of rasp. Alright, enough playing. Time to get to work. Alright, we're taking it off. Using instructions too so we don't blow it up. You unclip these clips all the way around. Unclip the mass airflow sensor. Loosen the top little clamp there for this hose. And then you lift. But you gotta be careful because these things are on these weird pegs. Take this off. And it's got
what the fuck?
Your mass airflow sensor on it. Here's your little intake.
Wait, why did it stand all the way over there? If it's just... I don't understand that.
Because it has intake ducts. Okay. Stock air filter. That's the same as on the 330 that I have.
Really?
Yeah. Okay. And then, let's see. Alright, after we took off that top, this piece comes out. It's pretty easy. You just push back on it a little bit right here to release a little teeth grabbing it and slide it up. Comes out, nothing else below it. And then we have to take off this lower boot here. So it's gonna be another clip right here, like another clamp, I mean. So remove that one, and this should all come out. All right, the first bit of the engine intake, putting in, it's not bolted in or tightened or anything, but you just push this into the stock air tube there. We're gonna tighten that, and this will be facing up. After we get that in, we get the first chunk of heat shield, and this will go on it like this.
Gotta remove the grommets from there though.
Alright, and I think we just remove, not those, we remove these grommets off the stock one, which shouldn't be too difficult. Not difficult at all. To put on that metal piece before we fit it in. But we have a little bit more work to do. Right here he's just fighting to put the little rubber grommet on.
Yeah, shit.
Alright, after a little bit of minor difficulty, technical difficulty, we got it on. Takes 2 hands to work it in. And then you have to trim it. So let's place this in after the police go by.
Let's chase after them. Nightcrawler.
Let's get them.
We could sell the footage to news companies.
Alright, now we're gonna see about placing the first little piece in here. Should be fairly simple, but I think we have to put a couple. It's for this, I'll show you. Alright.
Where's the bag?
Grab that side. Okay. Goes under that. Okay. So this is how it's gonna go. This will come up a little bit after this goes down over that. Right here, it looks like we have to lift these clips up to put them on top of this. Since they're part of the mounting now, they will be. All right, let me do that really quick. Light me up, bro. It's already recording. Here we go. Under that, over that. Press it on that. Or do we need to put this rubber on first? It almost looks like we have to put the rubber on first and then run the second tube up with the mass airflow sensor. So we'll try it that way because there's a big gap here. Big gap, big old gap. Yeah, we'll try it that way. Alright, got the rubber tightened.
I don't know, I think.
Alright, we had to put this grommet in. It's basically one of the mounts like this, but downward facing, and it's gonna hold the intake up off of the mount right there. The other one's there, rubber hose there. All right, now we're gonna try to get this in. Third time's a try, or third time's a charm.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Third time, let's go.
Pretty nice.
Nice. All right, so now we're transferring the mass airflow sensor coming off the stock box. So go right in here. Just make sure you follow the flow, the airflow, to put it in the right way. All right, so we got this mounted in now. The clamps both go on the hose underneath this part. So it's kind of a pain reaching under here, holding this up to tighten it, but we got it. This is mounted, that's mounted there, that's mounted there. Now he's gonna put on super cool Injen tuned nanotechnology super dry Supreme air filter. Just kidding, it's none of that shit. Okay. Alright, so now the filter's going on. Looking clean, almost done. Now we just have to do the cover. The mass airflow sensor wire actually goes through here on top. We have to disconnect it from the side here and run it over the oil filter to make it reach, but it's there. We capped off this little vacuum line that isn't on the 3 or 228. Getting closer, almost there. All right, so we finally finished. Got the top piece on, the top cover. Looks nice and clean all the way across. Some engine, looks almost OEM. Nice louvered. You can kind of see the intake filter in there. All right, and we'll get to listen to the noise.
Yeah.
All right, sound check time with the new intake. Yeah, go ahead. I'll give it a second to warm up. You swatting flies? No check engine light? Shouldn't. All right, sound check.
That's so much louder. I've seen that one naturally aspirated cars. Barely tell the difference.
Do it again.
I should have had a turbo car from the beginning. I don't know why I couldn't like
NA's cool, that's why. Don't get sucked into the hype, Brandon. Alright, anyways, that was us putting the engine intake on his car. The fresh one. Nice and clean, really pretty. Let me get over here really quick so you can see me. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for wasting time with us. I guess we'll be fucking this car up too, like we have every other car we've gotten our hands on. But in the nicest way possible. Nicest way possible, right, Brandon?
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Hopefully you don't drop the screwdriver again.
We won't talk about that or the file. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. Let's watch this guy leave so I can go to bed.
Alright. Hold on.
It sounds good, dude.
Alright, later.
Later.